Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to unpack from preload faster on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll find the search bar. Click on it to activate the search function. Once the search bar is open, type in Task Manager. This will help you access the system tool that manages all running processes on your computer. After typing, you'll see the Task Manager app appear in the search results. Go ahead and click on it to open the application. Task Manager is essential here because it gives you direct control over how your system allocates resources to different programs. Once Task Manager opens, you'll need to scroll down through the list of processes until you locate steam.exe. This is the main Steam process that handles all the unpacking and decryption work. When you find it, right-click on steam.exe to bring up a context menu with several options. From the menu that appears, click on Go to Details. This action will take you to a more detailed view of all running processes, giving you access to advanced settings that aren't available in the standard process view. This step is crucial because it allows you to modify how your system prioritizes Steam's operations. Now, in this details view, you'll see steam.exe listed again. Right-click on it one more time, and this time hover your mouse over the option that says Set Priority. When you hover over this option, a sub-menu will appear showing different priority levels. These priority levels determine how much of your CPU's processing power gets allocated to Steam. In the sub-menu that appears, click on High. By selecting this option, you're telling your system to prioritize Steam's unpacking process over most other tasks running on your computer. This significantly speeds up the decryption and unpacking process because Steam gets more CPU resources dedicated to completing the job. After clicking High, a confirmation dialog will pop up on your screen. This is a safety measure to make sure you really want to change the priority level. Click Change Priority to confirm your selection. This gives Steam more CPU power for decrypting, which means your preloaded game will unpack considerably faster than it would at normal priority. And that's it. You've successfully configured Steam to unpack your preloaded games faster by giving it higher priority access to your CPU resources. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.